We aim for performance, just like everyone. And we get there, but not like everyone. We get there thanks to 18 years working with asset management, using our innovative risk-cost approach. We get there thanks to a unique team of experts that created a unique software, ASSETSVALUE. We are not like everyone. ASSETSVALUE is a decision tool that empowers decision makers through their asset management journey to create value. Investments priorities, the right moment for your main maintenance, the balance between cost and business risks. What a journey. ASSETSVALUE is there to guide you through every stage of asset management. By documenting your asset register, by optimizing your maintenance intervals, the investment alternative, and the spare and stock strategy, and by building your organization alignment. You're a CEO, CFO, manager, supervisor, technician. And now, by achieving from 10% to 30% of cost savings, you're definitely not like everyone. Aim for performance. Get ASSETSVALUE.